sneaky.
Yeah, man, you're hitting it hard, like pushing some power to them things. Wow.
They get hot quick.
Oh yeah. Wow. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. This is nice.
Appreciate it, man.
I like the work.
Hide that wire. You can just tuck it up under there. That way it's not in the video, you know.
Yeah,
Make it
you're
look
good.
nicer for you.
Yeah.
Nice.
Wow. And you have AC running. Okay.
Oh yeah. You gotta have AC out here in this Jacksonville heat, man.
Most base vehicles actually don't turn AC because you lose electrical work on the alternator. But
That's fine.
yeah. Anyway, your name? What's in here, man?
So I'm Jacob. There's 6 Nightshade version 4 12s in here, and then on 2 Salt 12Ks.
Okay. Nice. Wow. Did you build this?
No. So a guy named Cody Gillette out at Jacksonville, out of West Side Jacksonville, built the enclosure. I built the doors, I built the roof, and what's it called? I got a buddy named Ben Walker that did all the stack fab for my stack fab center console.
Okay. Wow. Do you know your cubic space or box tuning?
I think what we aimed for was 22 bottom and then 44 top, if I remember right. But I don't know the funness of it because we haven't had a chance to actually test. They're just game matched right now.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So I did. They're doing 171 volts out of each amp.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah. Not sure about the amperage yet because again I'm not jumping it on the jumping it on the meter today.
So you haven't metered it yet?
Nah, not really. Not an official one.
Okay. And last question, did you dial in the port, or is it kind of happy where it is, or are you still working
happy
on it?
where it is.
Okay.
That's what Cody did. He just swinged it a little bit, and it's definitely a lot more.
Okay. Awesome. Man, what is your bandwidth like on this?
I'm pretty much peaked anywhere between 30 and 35. So that's kind of like it's flat right there, and then I'll do the 3 dB drop around 52, and then another 3 dB drop around 24, 22.
Okay. Yep.
So,
Nice. Good bandwidth though. Yeah, definitely. And I like the way the builder did this, so you have a little bit more room.
yeah.
They didn't do right at the B pillar.
Yep.
Looks really good. It's a nice job.
Yeah, he did it so that way it what's it called? Bolts into the structure of the actual truck too. So
Yeah.
the enclosure itself is
It's actually built in here. It's not
it's
slide in.
stout.
Yeah. Nice work. And a nice bracing. So I'm gonna go look. Can I see the amps in the battery bank?
Yeah.
Awesome.
The back window's rolled down for you.
Okay. Wow, so you put them in there, okay.
Yeah.
What made you put them on the side instead of the back?
Room.
Room?
They don't
Okay.
fit.
Yeah.
They don't fit with that bank back there.
Okay, got it, yeah.
What's up, buddy? You know, another day. How about you? Yeah, hanging out.
Can I see the alternator?
There's nothing special about it.
Nothing special? Okay.
Yeah, it's just a regular Singer 320. Unfortunately, you can't run more than one on these.
No? It's only one alt in it?
Yep.
Okay.
It's DJ Rasticles. All I need is one skill, a couple bills, time in it. Oh shit, cause I'm a player. Oh, I took the stairs. I treat you straight up. I treat bitches like some shoes, a couple battle pills. She like when I grab a niggas on the battle pills. Tell you straight up, set the prices on the kush, I swear. I let her run like a wrestler. Piss on your feelings. Oh shit, cause I'm a player. Took the stairs. I treat bitches like some 10 years straight, I set the prices on the kush, I swear. Piss on your feelings.
Yeah, man, you're hitting it hard, like pushing some power to them things. Wow.
Again,
Nice.
they're the Nightshade version 4, so they're 4-layer coils, not 8-layer coils.
Yeah.
So they
Yeah.
get hot quick.
Oh yeah. Wow. Nice work, man. I appreciate the demo.
Yeah, of course, man.
Nice to meet you. Your name again was Jacob.
Jacob, yep.
I'll remember that. Yep. Awesome. I appreciate it, man. All right, man. Nice to
Appreciate
meet
your time, man.
You're welcome. Nice to meet you.